In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Trello API in N8N in just a few simple steps. If you work with automations, project boards, or task management, this is a great way to connect Trello with your workflows and start sending data between tools automatically. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the workflow in N8N that you want to use. This is where your automation will live, so make sure you're inside the correct workflow before adding anything new. Once you're in the workflow, look over to the Nodes panel. From the Nodes panel, search for Trello and choose the Trello node. This is the node you'll use to connect N8N with your Trello account and perform Trello actions inside your automation. After selecting the Trello node, choose any action you want to use. N8N will let you pick from different Trello actions depending on what you want to automate, so just select the one that fits your workflow. Once the action is selected, click on Credentials. This is where you connect your Trello account to N8N so the node can access your Trello data securely. Now add your credential details. Enter the information required by N8N for your Trello connection and make sure everything is filled in correctly. After that, save the credentials so the node can use them in your workflow. And that's it. Your Trello API is now set up in N8N and you're ready to start building automations with Trello inside your workflows. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one.